If you want to make serious money on YouTube, you need a niche where the American audience is active. And today I'm showing you one of the most evergreen and profitable niches out there, the US military. Check this out. Channels like Navy Media, Beyond Military, and a few others are absolutely crushing it. Millions of views in just a few days, stock and real footage, simple editing, and an audience aged 20 to 45 who literally can't get enough. This niche is crazy profitable, and it's totally untapped for new creators. Step 1. Research your competitors. First things first, let's check what's working. Open channels like Beyond Military. Look at their thumbnails, titles, and video style. Notice how simple they are, mostly stock footage, real clips, background music, and light captions. Their recent stats shows the channel growth. And don't worry about legal issues. There's no government crackdown on stock or real military footage if you credit your sources properly. Take note of their patterns. You can produce 2 to 3 videos a day once you get the hang of it. Step 2. Topic and title generation. Now, we need a topic. You can use tools like vidIQ to generate trending military topics. Just type keywords like US Navy, Army, or military tech. These tools will give you hundreds of topic ideas. Another quick hack, copy competitor video scripts. Go to their video description, click Show Transcript or Translate if needed, and copy 1 to 2 scripts. Then use AI tools like ChatGPT to analyze tone, style, and generate 20 fresh video ideas in under 2 minutes. This gives you an entire month of content in no time. Step 3. Script writing. Once you've chosen your title, generate your script. Paste your title into a tool like ChatGPT, give it a prompt for tone, style, and length, and it will produce a full, ready-to-use script in minutes. Pro tip, break long scripts into sections so your text-to-speech tool handles it better for voiceovers. Step 4. Voiceover. For free or affordable SpeedMaker, readspeaker.com. If you have multiple Gmail accounts, you can get free credits for multiple videos. Upload your script in parts, generate your voiceover, and download the files. This is super simple and sounds professional. Step 5. Collect footage. For visuals, combine stock footage and real clips. Good free sources include Pexels, Pixabay. Also pick some videos from free footage YouTube channels like these. Step 6. Video editing. Drag your voiceover to your editor. Match clips to the audio. Use simple edits, zooms, cut transitions, text captions. You don't need After Effects or complex animation. Keep it simple and fast. Remember, the first 30 seconds are your hook. Short clips, strong visuals, and you'll retain viewers instantly. Step 7. Thumbnail creation. Write a prompt below your script generated in ChatGPT. Your thumbnail should pop and instantly communicate your topic. This is how you get clicks. And that's it. Follow these steps, and you can literally run a military niche channel fully automated with free tools, professional results, and fast monetization potential.